Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you are new here, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm here 3 times a week with beauty content for you. Today I'm doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. My friend Kylie just did this, which she did a year ago as well. She's just redone it and it looked like so much fun. So I'm giving it a go. I'm convinced I'm not going to do this well, but we're giving this a go. I have all my products set out in front of me just to save time, and I know pretty much what I'm gonna do. Whether I'm gonna finish it in time is a whole other question. I'm gonna have my phone behind me with a 5-minute timer and you'll be able to keep along with it. Okay, it's on. Pink honey through my brows, which usually takes me a good 2 minutes to do, so this is gonna be fun. Oh my god, I'm not gonna edit the 5 minutes, like I'm gonna leave it completely unedited. That'll do, that is close enough. No. Okay, my brushes are falling. Not good. BB cream, we all know, my fave. Come on. Oh. I'm feeling very nervous. As someone who pretty much always likes to take their time with doing makeup and really just like enjoying it, I really don't like this. I know I'm slow. Like I can do a client makeup in like an hour, but my own, oh my god. Yeah. I would take, well, my lives can be like anywhere from like 3 hours, like 2 to 3 hours. I do tend to kind of just take my time with makeup. I need extra coverage today. The time of the month, my skin is showing it. Alright, I've put my brush down and I'm holding my concealer. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Concealer brush, who is she? If I actually manage this, oh my god. Lush. Oh god. I actually have to do the school run this morning, so if this looks really bad, well, I'm gonna just have to wear it, honestly. I was up late this morning, so I don't really have time to redo it. It's either take it off and start again or just leave it, Courtier spun. Oh, that's a lot. Get this on. If I pack it where I need a little bit extra coverage, because this powder does have some coverage to it, then I'll be good. No way. This is as far as I got. Right, I'm gonna put a timer on to see how far I get to finish. So that's my 5 minutes. So I'm gonna start it and see if I can quickly finish the rest of my face. So I've got my favourite bronzer and blush. I can't believe that was 5 minutes, guys. That was so quick. Yeah, I'm rubbish, clearly. Blush. I didn't plan on doing any eyes. I just planned on doing bronzer, blush, and then a lip. And then finishing off my brows. Oh, that's messy. Okay. Done. Stop. So I went over 1:59. So I've done a full face, excluding eye makeup, in 7 minutes. I don't think that's bad. I probably will put some bronzer through my crease and a bit of mascara, but not right now. I might do that later when I get back from school. And this is my full face of makeup in 7 minutes. Wow. I hope you liked this. Yeah, I suck. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.